What is up guys, Joe here back with another video. Today I wanted to cover how to deposit the BUSD stablecoin within the Kava Earn program and start earning up to 30% APY on your BUSD assets. So as you know, Binance USD is a stablecoin produced by the Binance Smart Chain, and this is a fiat stablecoin backed by actual US dollars. The idea here is that the price will always remain at a $1 value. So Kava just introduced this new one-click operation known as Kava Earn that makes it super simple for you to start earning a high yield on your deposits. So the first coin they unveiled is BUSD deposits, and currently it's paying out up to 30% APY simply for depositing your tokens. And you're probably wondering, how are they achieving such a high return rate? And simply, Kava is lending out the stablecoin on the back end for you. So you as a lender earn those interest fees as a reward for providing liquidity. So BUSD is the first coin they've launched, and they're currently working on implementing USDC and the USDT stablecoin as well. And according to DeFi Llama, Kava is ranked number 15 in total value locked with over 360 million in total value locked. So a lot of investors have confidence in this platform. So as you know, Kava is a Cosmos blockchain, and they currently implemented Ethereum compatibility as well. So they're definitely integrating more compatible assets in the coming months. Keep an eye out for all their cool features. So to use the Kava platform, it is recommended you download the official Cosmos wallet, which is Kepler. But because BUSD is a Binance coin, for this instance only, it is recommended you use a different wallet, such as the Trust wallet. And Trust wallet is available only on mobile devices, either iOS or Android phones. So to get started, you're definitely going to have to buy some BUSD. So the most popular way to buy this stablecoin in the US is either through Binance.us or Crypto.com, and from there you would send that BUSD coin over to your Trust wallet, and from your Trust wallet you could sync it over to the Kava platform. So on the homepage www.kava.io, you would simply navigate to the top right and launch the app. And you're first taken to your balances page, but you actually want to navigate to the BUSD earn page. And once you're on here, it'll give you a quick rundown of this program. You can supply your BUSD on this panel. You can see the variable rate here. Keep in mind this fluctuates over time, which takes into account both liquidity and volume into this pool. And on the bottom left here, you can claim your reward, and rewards are paid out in both Kava, the hard, and the swap token. And you get to choose your vesting period. Either you can choose a 1-month lockup period or a 12-month lockup period. But the cool thing is, if you choose the 12-month lockup period, you do receive boosted rewards for providing liquidity for a longer time. So depending on your investment horizon, you can either choose the 1-month or the 12-month vesting period. So when you're ready to supply liquidity, go ahead and hit supply here, and you do get this window, and it's asking you will need a minimum of $11 of BUSD to supply. And it also mentions you can buy BUSD on Binance, Binance US, or Crypto.com, and you would click on deposit to Kava. And you get two options to deposit your BUSD. You can either use Trust Wallet like I mentioned, or a Ledger device. But I recommend a Trust Wallet for most people, so it's simpler to use and a much easier interface. So once you connect your wallet and you sync, you approve the transaction, and you will see your new updated balance here under the Your Supply section. And that's pretty much it. It's a super straightforward process, easy to use and simple. And on the back end, this is what Kava is doing to earn a high reward for you. So once you deposit BUSD, Kava in turn goes ahead and mints the USDX stablecoin, and USDX stablecoin is the native stablecoin of the Kava platform. So once that is minted, they go ahead and lend the USDX stablecoin to other investors on the platform. And so when other investors borrow this USDX, they have to pay interest rate, and from that interest rate is paid back to you in the form of rewards. So again, you're paid out in both Kava, swap, and hard tokens. And the cool thing is, Kava Kava has simplified the entire process. So all you see is a one-click operation and they take care of the rest for you. But like I mentioned, on the back end, this is what's happening. And towards the bottom here, they give you a quick description of what is happening. You supply BUSD and earn rewards. This earning strategy mints USDX from your BUSD and supplies the USDX into Lend. Withdraw your BUSD anytime for free. And you're able to claim your rewards twice a month every 15 days. So when you're ready, you would hit claim and you can either choose the 12-month period, which is boosted rewards. You do get a 500% boost, or you choose the regular 1-month lockup period. And this, you will earn the regular 30% APY. And you would hit claim and approve the transaction. So I'm super bullish on the platform. This is one of the highest return rate you can earn on a stable coin. And it's essentially like single-sided staking. This is not a liquidity pool. Once you deposit your BUSD, they lend it out on the back end for you and you earn all those rewards. It's super simple, and I highly recommend it to anyone who's looking to earn a passive income on their stable coins. This is a really powerful strategy during bear markets, so you can protect your assets and earn an income stream simply for holding those assets. And I'm super excited for them to be releasing USDC and USDT next on this platform for anyone who's looking to use a different type of stable coin. So definitely keep an eye out on their Twitter page at Kava_platform for all the latest updates. So I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a question in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.